Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're doing a quick 5-minute stomach workout designed to burn belly fat and strengthen your core. No equipment needed, you can do this right at home. Make sure you have some space, a mat if you like, and let's get started. Before we jump in, let's do a 30-second warm-up to wake up your abs and core. March in place, twist your torso gently, and get your body ready to move. Awesome job. Let's finish with a quick stretch. Reach up to the ceiling, side bends, and deep breaths. Remember, consistency is key. Doing this 5-minute workout daily can help tone your abs and burn belly fat over time. If you liked this workout, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick, fat-burning exercises and fitness tips.